out here. Ah! Oh my god. Put better sound activated sensors on those jump up ones. Oh, forget it. Never mind. It's just because there's not a lot of other noise around to make it go. Or else it would go. Oh, it's starting to get very windy. You're gonna have to put these away soon. That means they're not. You have to be in sheltered area. That sucks too.